Thank you, Rachel. Large wildfires are only growing out on the West Coast, but a question out on the East Coast: will we see any smoke or lowered air quality? Meteorologist Ryan Breton explains where the smoke's going.
After last summer, this is certainly capturing the attention of a lot of people. More than 100 active wildfires are burning right now in the U.S., but most of the ones in the east are smaller brush fires. The fires of more concern are on the West Coast and then up to British Columbia and Canada. And putting the smoke plume on here, you can really see where that smoke is emanating from, mainly the west, and that smoke then gets carried by the jet stream through the atmosphere. And as we saw last summer, sometimes it can survive the trip all the way into New England. Here's a closer look, and that plume all through the atmosphere is extending up through Canada. But for our air quality, as we saw last year, it's really the near surface smoke that we have to focus on. And you can see in these colors here, there are higher concentrations of it, and that would be associated with poor air quality. We have had some smoke at times drift into New England over the last couple of days, but certainly compared to last year, it hasn't been all that thick. Going forward, though, we'll have to watch that plume to the west to see how it approaches us. There are some signals that on Thursday we could have some smoke near the surface, and part of that is when you get high pressure building in, that can help push the air down to the ground, and that's what we may have later this week. So there may be some reduction in air quality or a hazy appearance to the sky later this week, but as we see it now, it would not be to the extent that it was last year. Of course, we'll keep you posted right here. I'm meteorologist Ryan Breton, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.